Welcome to ZK Mobile. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy J15 Prime 5G. The Samsung Galaxy J15 Prime 5G is a cutting-edge smartphone that combines sleek design with powerful performance. Featuring a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, it delivers vibrant colors and smooth visuals, enhancing your viewing experience. Performance and storage. Under the hood, the J15 Prime 5G is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, ensuring swift and efficient multitasking capabilities. With RAM options of 8GB and 16GB, alongside internal storage choices of 128GB and 256GB, expandable up to 1TB via microSD, you'll have ample space for all your apps, photos, and videos. Camera capabilities. Capture stunning photos with the triple rear camera setup, comprising a 64MP main sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP macro camera. For selfie enthusiasts, the 16MP front camera ensures clear and vibrant self-portraits. Battery life and charging. Equipped with a robust 5000 mAh battery, the J15 Prime 5G supports 25W fast charging, allowing you to quickly recharge and stay connected throughout the day. Software and connectivity. Running on Android 15 with Samsung's One UI, the device offers a user-friendly interface and seamless navigation. Connectivity features include 5G support, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC, ensuring you're equipped with the latest technology standards. Pricing and availability. The Samsung Galaxy J15 Prime 5G is anticipated to launch on July 25, 2025, with an expected price of $280 USD. Conclusion. The Samsung Galaxy J15 Prime 5G stands out as a versatile and powerful smartphone, catering to both productivity and entertainment needs. Its combination of advanced features and competitive pricing makes it a compelling choice for tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike. Stay tuned to ZK Mobile for more updates on the latest mobile innovations. Asterisk.